So, quick excuse lang guys ha, nakahiga ako ngayon pero gusto ko lang i-share to habang fresh pa. So, this is my Pluto in Aquarius Insights. May part 1 ako, check nyo na lang sa playlist. This is the part 2 ha. This is Pluto in Aquarius Insights till 2044. Walang sekreto ang ligtas. So, disclaimer muna tayo. So, this content is for astrology and educational discussion only. Nahubulol ako. Hindi ito accusation, paninira, or political attack. And astrology-based discussion only. No accusation, no bashing, public information, and symbolically. So, gamitin ko dito is yung public cases as example of themes, not judgments. Pluto in Aquarius officially started recently and maglalast to hanggang 2044. Sa astrology, si Pluto ay planet ng power, secrets, at exposure. Habang si Aquarius naman ay systems, technology, and communities. So, kapag pinagsama mo sila, ang tanong ng era na to ay simple lang. Who really holds the power and why? So, one example ko dito, people often mention the case of Jeffrey Epstein. Hindi ko to binabagit para manira ng tao, no? Astrologically speaking, simbolo lang siya ng how systems protect certain people. Pluto in Aquarius doesn't just expose individuals. It exposes the network around them. Aquarius rules group, circles, and communities. Kaya ngayon, mas nakikita natin kung paano gumagana ang power behind the scenes. Napansin nyo ba ngayon, screenshot is truth, archive is evidence, digital footprint never disappears. That's Pluto in Aquarius. No more he said or she said, everything leaves a trail. And this applies globally, including sa Philippines. So, hindi ito about politics or blaming leaders. Astrology lang ang tanong. Are systems evolving with the people or controlling them? Aquarius wants transparency. Pluto forces accountability. Another theme is AI and algorithms. Who controls visibility? Who decides what you see? Who benefits from the system? Again, not fear just awareness. Pluto in Aquarius is not here to scare us. It's here to wake us up. This era is not about destroying people. It's about dismantling unhealthy systems. And the power, it slowly returns to informed communities. If nag-resonate, save this or follow me for more astrological explain without fear. And comment Pluto if you want more examples.